Marching backwards. Hi Victoria, what are you doing on the farm? Can we join you? Marching backwards? That sounds fun. Let's all have a go. Careful of that lamb though. Oops. March, march. Careful of that horse. Oh dear. Another cow. March, march, march. Oh, bye-bye pig. March, march, march. Phew. No more animals. Are your knees nice and high like Victoria's? Careful where you're going. March, march, march. March, march, march. Hi, lamb. Oh no. Bye, lamb. Oh, bye, pig. March, march, march. I wonder where all those animals ended up.